Hey y'all, so here's another cooking video. I haven't done one in a while, and I just want to show y'all how I fortify, everyday food items with additional nutrients by adding, you know, some herbs and fruits and vegetables. And so this might be a part of a series and where I just talk about how I fortify my foods, because as I talked about in one of my previous videos, our fruits and vegetables are not as nutrient dense as they used to be for several reasons. But what we can do is fortify some foods that we eat throughout the day by by adding those fruits and vegetables so that we take in more nutrients, if that makes sense. So what I have here is some blueberries, some raspberries, and then or some blackberries, and then some hibiscus powder. So the blackberries is relatively new. I just wanted to see how it tasted. But normally I would add blueberries and hibiscus, and I promise you those two alone will make your pancakes taste amazing. And hibiscus powder you can probably find anywhere, or you can make it on your own. Just get a spice blender and some dried hibiscus herbs and you'll be fine. So like I said, it tastes amazing. And what I'm making here is two types of pancakes just to see what it tasted like with the blackberries. One that was more lighter and kind of a normal cook, I guess you could say. And then the other was a little more well done pancake. I typically prefer the more well done pancake, but everybody's different. So that's that. And then what I did was I made some eggs. And with the eggs, I always like to add some type of green to it. Normally it'd be spinach and green onions, but this time I decided to do the green onions with some moringa leaves. So moringa is a nutrient dense plant. I highly recommend people incorporate moringa into their food or in their teas. But I added in the eggs and it actually tastes pretty good. So yeah, this is the end result. I loved it and I highly recommend you try it. Bye.